Hey y'all, it's Whitney Nicely from She Buys It, and today I'm super excited to share my proven 10-step formula to help you close your very first deal. Like most things in life, the first deal is always the hardest, right? And so that's why I'm here to help you. I put together an incredible free guide to walk you through your first 10 steps to getting a deal done. Now, let's be honest here. There's a lot more that you can do, but it all boils down to two main parts. First, you got to find a seller that's willing to sell you a property. And second, you got to find a buyer that wants to buy this thing from you. Sounds pretty simple, right? Well, we know that simple isn't always easy. So that's why I have these 10 steps to help you make it to the closing table. You're going to master how to find the right seller at the right time with the right price and find the right buyer. All of it is right here together. This is going to reduce the time it takes you to close your first deal fast. So if you're ready to learn these 10 steps to close your first deal, enter your email address below and you will get, so if you're ready to learn how to get these deals closed, enter your email address below and you will get immediate access to this download that I created just for you.